Hi, do you have a Sena B10 and you're frustrated with the low volume? Well, this is how you can fix it. Download the Sena Device Manager app, and using the application, you can update the firmware to the latest version. You need to connect your device while it is turned off using the provided data cable to your laptop, and that should detect the device and download the latest version. You can see that the new version is 1.2.3, that's the new firmware, and that fixes the whole low volume issue. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to download and install the new firmware. Once that is done, you would see a bunch of new features which you can toggle from. My personal favorite is the Vox phone, and this makes a huge difference. Please ensure the device is charged adequately and do not interrupt the process in between. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching the video.